in breeches, knee school satchel by his side, conjures up a host of feelings, he can't hide them anymore, for in his heart he knew, whistling high, hitting far and wide. There's a footpath leading all the way down to the bottom where the iron rails run through the railings. He's waving goodbye to you and everyone, for in his heart he knew, oh what a great pretender he's become. Bily, liar, fake love's long lost son. All he took was his Saint Christopher, and tales of being enlightened. Never been so frightened before. New faces, new towns, bewildered he sits by the ground and wonders to himself. For just a moment he felt sad. Other folks back home will understand that I had to go and take that The village green lies silent as the children run to jump the brook and stream. Who remembers when they cried he could not swim? Oh, they still think of him, though he's walked out of their lives. And it's been a year today since he's been gone. Still they can't believe that he ran away to be someone, forever crying, crying. Whoa. The great pretense goes on and on. It 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 goes on and on. Will they remember? Will they even remember your name? The great pretense will stay as long as your heart intends.